It's installation day. So this is the installation of the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. This thing has 32 circuits. It's huge. They're putting it together right now. This is our old sub panel right here. I think it has maybe like 14, maybe 16 circuits. I couldn't use the Smart Home Panel 2 because it was limited to the number of circuits, but finally now the Smart Home Panel 3 has 32 circuits, so way more than I need, and it's perfect for me to swap the Smart Home Panel directly with my sub panel. That way I don't need to wire a separate panel, so it's just very simple. That is a bigger panel than this standard panel, so it has to be enlarged here just a tad to fit it in, and we're gonna increase the soffit down there. We should be good. The nice thing about the new Smart Home Panel 3 is that they use standard D-square circuit breakers, so we can swap those out. We don't need to buy a new circuit breaker. It's going to be an awesome installation. I thought I could do this myself, but after looking at it, I'm feeling no, I need some professionals. So we have Jack and Mike from the Bay Area. They're helping to install it. If you guys need their contact, I'll drop it in the description. These guys are professional. They know what they're doing. They're going to knock this out in less than 1 day. It would have taken me a week. So the nice thing about the Smart Home Panel 3 is it's a very standard installation. Although it's a smart panel, all you really want to do is worry about feeding it power from the L1, L2, and L3 main lines, and then you just put your circuits on it. And then the smart part is taken care of by this box right here, which is going to be tapped out from the bottom there, or you can install that separate location. But that's a smart panel part, and they really don't need to worry too much about the smart stuff. This is for simplicity installation. It's just a smart home panel, but it's just a sub panel that's going to replace this one for now. And then we'll bring in the Delta Pro Ultra X, which is going to be able to power the whole home for complete backup. It's going to be crazy. This is such a nice upgrade from the Smart Home Panel 2, and definitely an upgrade from the Smart Home Panel 1. And the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, I feel it's finally there for me to actually take the plunge and get this system installed, because the Delta Pro Ultra was good, but one unit wasn't quite enough to power my whole home. Now one unit has an inverter that's strong enough to power my entire home, and one unit can support up to 5 batteries, which is crazy because I think that's 30 kilowatt hour of capacity, and you can expand that to 3 more times. That's like 90 kilowatt hour. Nuts. But anyway, they're doing the installation. They're sizing up the job right now. I'm super excited. My configuration is so basically on the back outside there, we have the main panel power coming in, and it goes through this gateway right here. And this gateway is really for this power charger for the Cybertruck. And actually the Cybertruck is a backup system too, but I didn't like the Cybertruck backup system because every time you switch from line power or grid power to the Cybertruck power, there has to be a disconnect, and it's long so that all my computers and electronics shut off. Whereas with the EcoFlow, this system would be able to switch seamlessly, so all my electronics will stay on, and that's super important because the way I'm going to use this is by energy arbitrage. So at night, it's going to use power from the grid to charge the battery, and during the day, it's going to run off the battery power, and during the switch off, it's going to be seamless for me as a user. So that's why we went with the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X system. It's going to be perfect. In terms of solar, we actually didn't get solar because number one, our roof is too small to really fit solar in the configuration that it is, because there's a lot of stuff on the roof. They can't fit solar panels without relocating all the stuff on the roof. And number two, the roof that faces the area that gets the most sun is very small too. So we have very small area on top of our house to install solar. And if we do install solar, we have to stick with NEMA 3.0 and also go to PG&E's solar electrical plan, which is not as ideal as the current plan that we have right now for energy arbitrage, because it's much cheaper to get energy at night and then use it during the day. So that's the plan, and that's why we have these guys installing the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3, and then I'll bring out the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and the 2 batteries I got. We started out with 2 batteries. We're gonna get more later on, but anyway, that's happening, so stay tuned because the installation is just getting started. Right now, everything is still stock. They're sizing up the job. They're labeling the circuits because they're gonna be unplugging it from the old circuit breaker. They're gonna have to tear down that whole soffit and build out a new one for this much bigger panel. So we'll keep you updated on the progress of the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 installation.